I guess I might put it on this channel too later. But A World Apart gave me a link. He's World Apart. I sent this link to a video he uploaded. He gave me two videos, but let's go from this video. This is in Texas, I believe, where he's showing these cracks. Let's sort of cut to the chase a bit. Oxyjacking, the expansive force of rusting, which may be called oxide jacking or rust burst. You can think of it also as a that can cause damage. Let me just go on from there. As a phenomenon that can cause damage to structures made of stone, masonry, or concrete or ceramics and reinforced with metal components. All right, so rust jacking, oxyjacking, rust jacking, same deal. You can come over here and look under rust jacking, Google rust jacking, and you'll see all the expansive. That's what it looks like in a larger rusted capacity. Let's get away from that. So back to his video. They painted the structure, which was nice. They were trying to keep water off of it. But apparently water is the outer, this is reinforcement out here and here, and then probably stirrups wrapped around this. The outside of this column looks pretty, the pier, looks pretty darn plumb as he shoots up and down it with his camera. They look pretty plumb. They don't show indications of buckling. That this is more on that pattern. This is sort of a hammerhead design with the structure. Pretty tall. And he zoomed in on this really nice. You can see they coated it with paint. That's really supposed to help. I would say that, there's some effervescence going on there. It looks like a little bit of effervescence, salt, water penetration. And that's probably if you were to use a non-invasive testing, metal detector basically, you'd find that metal was behind here, following those lines all the way up. This is the coating over top of the surface. Noteworthy. Looks like they did some repair here, and then so somewhere on record there should be a repair at the structure. You should be able to find the columns. Each one of these columns have a number on them, and you should be able to find the column numbers on it, and you'd be able to ask specifically for a report of those columns. Let me see if I can refresh that and bring it back to the end. It was so close to doing it. That's what it looks like, the structure. This is formwork that we're looking at there. And it's the peeling surface material, paint, if you will. If you allow me to call it paint. I'm not sure what the product is. Maybe it's in Elastomeric, I don't know. I think he's just going to fade, that's a fade in from the previous, he's did some editing here. Yeah, it looks like the reinforcement on the side there also. And here, everything, it's, yeah, it'd probably pop off the outer 2 inches of this, 2 or 3 inches, whatever they have over top of this cover, concrete cover. Let's see if we can stop it at the very end again, or see if we can stop it. Right there. That's where, I don't know if I can get rid of that. Nope. That's the repair, appears to be the repair. Nope, it's not a repair. Slow it down, I can see better. It's the coating over top of the base cement. So not a repair. So edit that previous comment. That's the coating material, and that's the subsurface, the concrete subsurface of the paint. I'll end video with this clean video of this. So as long as you have these all outside straight and plumb, it's looking good. She's looking good, except for you do have to resolve this. That's going to be a lot of work to get down to that parent metal and figure out why I did it, and then treat it and stop from expanding. Do you get it now? Do you get it later? Well, you're opening it up now, so it's no reason to open it up right now. The columns aren't near failure yet, based on no buckling showing. No, it's not the steel. The structural steel still appears to be in place. Might save that the outer sections, but it should take some exploratory to get in there and take a look at it, just to verify what you're looking at. I mean, it's a lot of columns he's presenting here. That it's a consistent defect. I mean, look at these columns back here, here, and yet they coated it, trying to keep the water off of it. But it's too late. The metal's on there. The air is getting to the metal, and she's accelerating towards failure. Maybe they can epoxy inject this to try to stop it from jacking anymore. You know, not many people are doing that. You know, it's not a cheap fix. It's many of them, and they sort of let things go far on the maintenance on a lot of structures, a lot of bridges. Terminate video. Hopefully that was helpful to you. A world apart.